Hello and welcome to Dreamtime Toys. This is Mrs. Dreamtime and today we are playing with Bluey and Bingo, the ice cream truck, the Healer family Jeep, and Bluey Aqua Art. Are you ready? Let's have fun. All right, everybody, let's get in the car. We're gonna go have some ice cream today. Ice cream, ice cream, I love ice cream. Oh my goodness, ice cream is the best. I love ice cream too. I'm excited that we get to spend the day together. Let's go. Bluey's gonna get in her seat. Bingo's gonna get in her seat. Bluey and Bingo's mom, Chili, is gonna get in her seat. And Bluey and Bingo's dad, Bandit, is gonna get in his seat, and he's the driver. Everybody's in their seats and all buckled up. Are you ready to go, Healer family? Let's go! Well, here we are. Time for some ice cream. Let's make sure the car's closed. I am so excited that we're getting ice cream today. It's gonna be so tasty. I'm excited too. I love ice cream. We're gonna have a great day today, running some errands and having an adventure with some ice cream. That's right. Remember the last time we got ice cream and it melted because you two girls kept dancing around and around and around to try to have a lick of each other's ice cream? Let's try to eat our ice cream before it melts today. Yeah, I remember that. That was kind of silly. But Bingo's ice cream looked really good and I wanted just a taste of it, but I didn't want to trade ice cream cones with her. I know, I thought you were going to eat too much of my ice cream. Welcome to Muffin's ice cream stand. Would you like to get some ice cream? Muffin, you're too young to have a job. Yeah, you're probably right. Bingo, do you know what kind of ice cream you want? There's so many different kinds. I see green ice cream, and blue ice cream, and brown ice cream, and orange ice cream, and pink ice cream, and white ice cream. So many choices. Ice cream is so yummy. Sorry, I got a little excited, but I really do love ice cream. Can I please have some pink ice cream? Sure you can. Scoop, scoop. There you go. This pink ice cream tastes like strawberries. It's so yummy. What kind of ice cream do you want, Bluey? I would like the blue ice cream, because I really like blue. All right, let me get you some. There you go. Thanks. Ooh, this tastes like blueberries. I love blueberry ice cream. It's so tasty. Well, hello, Muffin. Could I have some chocolate ice cream, please? Of course you can, Aunt Chili. I will get you some chocolate ice cream right now. There you go. Thank you. Very tasty. Uncle Bandit, are you gonna get some ice cream? I sure am, Muffin. Can I have one scoop of all of them? Whoa, that's a lot of ice cream. Are you sure about that? Yeah, sure I'm sure. I just love ice cream. All right, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you go. 6 flavors of ice cream. Thank you so much. I really love ice cream. Well, does everyone have their ice cream? Yep, we sure do. Mine's almost gone though. Yeah, mine's blueberry, and it's so tasty. I've got chocolate. But Dad, you have so much ice cream. You have all 6 scoops. Yeah, I couldn't decide what I wanted, so I got one of each. That's really silly. Well, let's get in the car and go on our next adventure. All right, bye, Muffin. Bye, see you later. All right, here's the car. Muffin. See you later. Bye. Here's Bluey Aqua Art. It reveals colors with water and it's mess-free. Let's see. I've already filled it with water, so we can just get to coloring. This page is from the beach episode, where Bluey is going on a walk to see her mom.
This picture has Bluey, and she is going on a walk to find her mom, who's walking on the beach. I see a cute little crab there.
The next page says, I am the mermaid who got her legs. And it looks like we have Bingo and Bluey.
Bingo and Bluey are so excited to be swimming at the pool. Look at that, there's a pool noodle. And another pool noodle. One is red and one is yellow.
And the other animals on this page are seahorses, and I see a pink seahorse, an orange seahorse, and a teal seahorse. Hey Squirts, Uncle Stripe said we can use his pool. There's the family at the pool.
Oh my goodness, that looks like a donut inflatable. I remember a donut inflatable from another Dreamtime Toys video where we had Bingo and Bluey go to the pool and pretend that they were swimming with other ocean animals.
The Healer family is swimming together in Uncle Stripe's pool. Bluey is swimming with her dad, and Bingo is swimming with her mom. Inflatable pool island! That looks so fun. It looks like Bingo is on a pizza inflatable, and Muffin is on her own island with a palm tree and an island. That looks so fun. Here's the Healer family at the beach. Their dad, Bandit, is putting this little cabana tent together. Bluey's mom, Chili, is wearing a sun hat to keep the sun out of her face. And you can see that Bluey and Bingo both have some sunscreen so they don't get a sunburn. Beach day! This aqua art coloring book is really fun because all you need is water and this special brush, and it's mess-free. I sure did have a lot of fun coloring this today, and I had fun with the Healer family in their Jeep, going to get ice cream and going on an adventure. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun videos from Dreamtime Toys.